Hey guys, welcome to another MillerTech video. Today we're going to be talking about storing your lithium batteries. With this time of the year coming, everybody's putting their boats into storage and we get a ton of requests, emails, text messages, people just asking what they need to do to properly store their MillerTech battery. So that's the theme for the video today and we'll get right into it. I have a list of questions here that we get, probably the top 4 or 5 questions that we get asked all the time. And I'm hoping this will answer a lot of those questions. First one up is, should I remove my batteries from my boat? While we think it's a good idea to store your batteries in room temperature, it is not a must. We realize, we've looked at a lot of boats and we realize there's a ton of wires connected. It is not necessary for you to take an hour of your time to remove those batteries. If you have a boat cover or you put it in an unheated building, that's perfectly fine. You do not have to take your batteries out of the boat for storage. So second question that we get asked all the time is, should I store my battery fully charged? We recommend fully charging the battery, disconnecting the charger. Even though the battery's at 100%, as soon as you disconnect the charger, it will self-discharge a little bit per month and it'll be fine. You can go 6 months without recharging. If you want to get really technical, best way to store your battery is at 50% charge, but we've done a lot of testing and you don't gain enough life from the battery to be worth it. If you're going to store it long term, let's say a few years, we would recommend discharging it to 50% and then once it gets down to 30, recharge to 50. That's the sweet spot. We get that, but it's not worth your problem, your hassle to discharge the battery to 50% just for a winter. Fully charge it, pull the charger off, you are going to be perfectly fine. Our warranty covers you for 10 years and you should be good 15, 20 years, no problem. So another question, third one is, should I remove my charger for storage? Yes, absolutely want to remove your charger. All our chargers come with this quick disconnect. You just pull this apart and you're good to go. This charger, even if it's not plugged into the AC, it will still draw a little bit of power. So you always want to pull this plug apart and you want to unhook your trolling motor. Storage, you want to remove all the wires. Now, the fourth one that we get asked quite a bit is, what are the temperature parameters for our batteries? Meaning, how low does the temperature have to go before your batteries won't take a charge? So our batteries are all set at 28 degrees. Environmental temperature gets down to 28 degrees, the battery won't take a charge. And if you put the battery inside or it heats up, as soon as it hits 32 degrees, it will start taking a charge again. So we've had a lot of questions. What are our plans with having a heated batteries? We've been hesitant to go that route just for the plain fact that you have a heater in a battery now that's controlled by electronic. There's another fail point for one, and I really just wasn't excited about having a heater inside my battery. And I thought if I waited long enough, sure enough, there's some things coming out now. Sodium is becoming very popular. We have some on our test bench right now. We're going through some extensive testing with those. Those you could charge down close to 0 degrees. So if sodium comes around in the next 6 months like we think it will, I think that would be our go-to for getting away from having to put a heater in a battery. Just so you folks know, we do have our eyes and ears open. We know this is a problem for people in cold climates, and we are actively trying to figure out what is our best foot forward to solve this cold temperature charging problem. Of course, there'll be update videos, and we'll keep you guys informed as we do more research on the different technologies that are coming out. Quick recap, with MillerTech, you're going to get a simple process. With these batteries, when you go to put them into storage, fully charge them, step 1. Step 2, remove all the loads. So take off any wire leads that are connected to the batteries. Charger, trolling motor, graphs, everything. Remove everything, put your boat into storage. It can be cold, it can be heated, doesn't really matter. You can go up to 6 months without recharging at the 6-month mark, or spring, pull your boat out, charge the batteries full, and you're good to go. We'd like to keep it simple. If you do that process, we will cover you guys for 10 years, no questions asked. You know our warranty is good for that. If there's any questions, you know you can reach out to us and we will try to answer any questions you might have. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next one.